Picture yourself in the 2023 Honda CR-V. You'll love the high-end feel and powerful performance of this sleek CR-V. This small SUV also comes fully loaded with advanced safety and infotainment technology, clever creature comforts, and a can-do attitude. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, satellite radio, power liftgate, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control. Feel confident and calm when you tackle life's daily adventures in this Honda CR-V. Come in and drive it home today.